Sir, may I ask you one question? Why one should buy your project, Stella 1, compared to other projects?
Oh, very nice question. Thank you so much. You just gave me an opportunity to explain my project. See, first of all, I'll say it's the group, the Stellar group. Much credible. So far, it's the 9th residential project. None of the projects delayed, irrespective whether there was RERA regulatory body or not. Like other projects of ours, this project is Stellar 1, Phase 1, 2, delivered before RERA scheduled date. I think which is the biggest credibility in current scenario. See, we have started construction in 2017 mid, and the keys are already handed over. Now I'll come to the best part. Why one should buy this Stellar 1? I would go very specific so that one can compare our project with other residential project in the location. First of all, it's a quality project, timely delivered. Now how the quality would be defined? Stellar 1 is the second lowest density project in the location, Noida Extension. Also let me tell you, the first one, the lowest density project of this location is group flagship project Stellar G1. Now I would explain little bit what is density and how it affects your buying decision, and why one should consider these technical facts before buying a flat. Apart from the external beauty and whatever you see, I mean the tiles, the park and whatever. Yeah, one buyer who is looking, who is considering a home buying is not aware with the facts, technical things, what to ask, what not to ask. So today I explain some of the things which technically differentiate between two projects. Now let me come straight to the point. What does this density means? The density means, let me give you the comparison. Like our project Phase 1, Stellar 1 Phase 1 is constructed in 5.309 acre. Now let's consider there is another project of 5 acre by any name. So let's come to the comparison part and the technical comparison part. Now in 5.309, so in 5.309 acre of our Phase 1, we have constructed 4 towers of steel plus footing. It means there is no ground floor and all 4 towers is of only 14th floor. Let me remind you, the Stellar 1, the second project, residential project in Noida Extension, which is of 14th floor. The entire project, you may find any project having a 14th floor tower. However, it would be 1 or 2 tower, not the entire project. Prior to this, the Stellar group only has delivered the Stellar G1, ground plus 14. So in Stellar 1, there is modification, changes for the betterment. We have come up with state. No ground floor flat means there is ample space on the ground floor, cross air ventilation, and it gives a beautiful look to the society as well. Now, you will find in a 5 acre society where we have constructed 4 towers, in another 5 acre project of any, you may find one yourself, there will be 8 to 10 towers. The height would be 20 to 24th floor, up to 25 floor, and we are only steel plus 14. Now the total number of flat we have constructed in 5 acres of project, 5 acre piece of land is only 560 via 4 towers. So in any other project you will find between 900 to 1000 flats, 8 to 10 towers. Now what does it mean? The per acre ratio of Stellar 1, the per acre residential units, dwelling units is only 105 when you divide 560 by 5.309. See, these are the things we are talking on paper. Technically, nothing can be hide. You go to any other residential project in the location, I challenge any other developer, if they can explain this simple piece of things, the information on paper, printed, that how many towers they are constructing, what is the number of flats, what is the density ratio. Stellar is the only developer in the entire location which is giving you printed piece of paper. The number of towers, the number of flat, density ratio. No any other developer. Wherever you will go, you will be explained by any sales guy. You have no technical idea. They are not giving a printed piece of paper. So let's come back to the comparison. You are buying one flat out of 560. In another project, you are buying one flat out of 900 or 1000. Interestingly, whether it's 560 flat or 1000 flat, the amenities provided in a group housing, whether it's swimming pool or club or park, would remain same. Why there is such difference? The difference is also very much technical. It's called FAR, floor area ratio. अगर हम इसे बहुत सिंपल शब्द में समझने की कोशिश करें तो ये है कि जब एक ग्रुप हाउसिंग की लैंड एक डेवलपर को दी जाती है तो उसे कंस्ट्रक्शन का परमिशन दिया जाता है, जिसे एक हम जार्गन टर्म में समझ सकते हैं FAR, फ्लोर एरिया रेशियो। ये भाई आप ये पीस ऑफ लैंड लीजिए, 5 एकड़ का या 16 एकड़ का या 18 एकड़ का, 2.75 आपका FAR है। इसके हिसाब से आपका इतना स्क्वायर फीट कंस्ट्रक्शन का परमिशन है, जिसको आप 1 2 3 4 5 जितना भी BHK में कन्वर्ट करना है आप उसको कर लीजिए। So now question comes, why this is the difference? The difference because of more FAR purchase. Once a developer is done with 2.75, for example in our case 2.75 in 5.309 acres means 560 flat of 895, 982, 1132, 1412 square feet. More or less in Noida extension this location sizes is of same. There would be hardly a difference of 100 square feet. So in sizes a maximum difference of 100 square feet. ये मैं वो कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि कोई 850 स्क्वायर फीट में 2 BHK बना रहा है तो कोई 950 में बना रहा है, और इन बिटवीन देयर आर साइजेस, और दीज साइजेस वुड डिसाइड द नंबर ऑफ फ्लैट। सो जब हम अपने स्विमिंग पूल में जाएंगे, जब हम जिम में जाएंगे, और अगर हम एक हायर डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट में है, आई विल नॉट नेम एनी प्रोजेक्ट, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफाइड प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं हमारे आसपास में, जहां आप जाइए, वन फाइन डे आपका मन करेगा मैं हेल्थ क्लब में जिम में जाना है, 17, 18, 19, 20 मैक्सिमम 20 लोग से ज़्यादा एकोमोडेट नहीं कर पाते, बिकॉज द जिम इज इन अ रूम। हमारे यहाँ कंप्लीट इस लो डेंसिटी के कारण आप स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं, आप जिम जा सकते हैं, द एंटायर डेंसिटी, एंटायर पॉपुलेशन इज एकोमोडेटेड। हमारा पर एकड़ रेशियो जो 105 फ्लैट का आ रहा है वो किसी भी अदर प्रोजेक्ट का 150 का है, 160 का है। So eventually it will get all the amenities provided to you, and it should be a bigger criteria in home buying. Now I'll come quickly. What about the beautification? You really want to see the external quality? I invite you, come have a look. We are making a podium park which is approx 1.25 acre constructed. With the construction of phase 2, it is going to be almost close to 4 or more than 4 acres of central podium park, which is catch of the project. None other project in Noida extension has such central podium park, and after beautification it is going to be a much sought thing in the Noida extension in residential segment. Currently we are ready with 1.25 acre having swimming pool and everything. So I'll say, if you go technically, if you compare apple to apple, no other project is better than Stellar 1. Yes, one last thing, as far as the pricing is concerned, we are ready to give you a apple to apple comparison, you please come up with the price of top 5 project in Noida extension. I'm sorry, I'll not compare to any Tom, Dick and Harry. There are plenty of projects. There are projects ready to sell it at the rate of 2800 rupees per square feet. They just need money. If you compare our project, irrespective of density, quality, ours is the best. Our pricing is 100 rupees less, not more, compared to top 5 projects. You may come with their pricing, we'll sit with our pricing. So it's just about the clarity. So finally I'll say, no other project is better than Stellar One. We have handed over keys. The families are shifting just because of this lockdown. Currently they have not moved. Let's come, have a look, visit our project and decide accordingly. Thank you.